The right to freedom is a fundamental human right that guarantees individuals the freedom of speech, expression, assembly, association, movement, and residence. It ensures autonomy and protection from arbitrary actions by the state, promoting democracy and individual liberties. The right to freedom is a fundamental right enshrined in the Constitution of India. The detailed provisions related to the right to freedom contained in Articles 19 to 22 of the Constitution form the cornerstone of liberal society. Article 19 of Indian Constitution guarantees certain freedoms to all citizens of India. It encompasses 6 fundamental rights: the right to freedom of speech and expression, the right to assemble peacefully and without arms, the right to form associations, unions, or cooperative societies, the right to move freely throughout the territory of India, the right to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India, and the right to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade, or business. Article 20 protects against arbitrary and excessive punishment of an accused person, whether a citizen, a foreigner, or a legal person like a company or a corporation. It contains 3 provisions in this regard. No ex post facto law, which prohibits incrimination under an ex post facto law that imposes penalties retrospectively or which increases the penalties for such acts. Accordingly, no person shall be convicted of any offense except for violating a law in force at the time of the commission of the act, and no person shall be subjected to a penalty greater than that prescribed by the law in force at the time of the commission of the act. Article 21 declares that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. This right is available to both citizens and non-citizens. Article 21A declares that the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 6 to 14 years in such a manner as determined by the state. It is to be noted that this provision makes only elementary education a fundamental right, and not higher or professional education. Article 22 provides safeguards for persons who are arrested or detained. Detention is of 2 types: punitive detention, which is to punish a person for an offense committed by him after trial and conviction in a court, and preventive detention, which is the detention of a person without trial and conviction by a court. Its purpose is not to punish a person for a past offense, but to prevent him from committing an offense in the near future. The significance of the right to freedom includes being the cornerstone of democracy, individual empowerment, promotion of pluralism and diversity, protection against tyranny, safeguarding human dignity, facilitation of socio-economic development, and promotion of social justice.